Welcome to Folly Beach, South Carolina. We're getting ready to ride to the lighthouse. We're at the tides. I'm getting a roll. How you guys doing today?
Good.
Pretty good. Hey, check us out, Free Will EUC. Hey, awesome thing is I've been kind of like sent some merch from Pit Viper sunglasses. Check it out. It's pretty cool. I love these red ones. I got a few other ones from them. I will be debuting them in the channel. I don't know if this hat's going to work in this weather, but welcome to Folly Beach, South Carolina. We're going to the lighthouse right now. Let me take this hat off and get some roll on. Woohoo! Love this place. This is my stomping grounds. We have Birch's supermarket over there. Woohoo! All right. So in Folly Beach, South Carolina, you cannot have your tires touching the asphalt. If you have your tires touching the asphalt, they can absolutely give you a ticket for that. So when you park, you want to make sure you park on the sand and off the asphalt. It's a really big thing in South Carolina. Well, Folly Beach, South Carolina. I'm trying out my pads. I went a little bit thinner on my pads from the last run I did because I kind of hurt my knees. But what I did is I took two pieces of the pads off, and that was like a ½ an inch. And with a ½ an inch off of it, it feels a little bit loose. I may have to go ahead and put one more back on it. But this is Folly Beach. We're going to the lighthouse right now. Check it out, and then I'm gonna see if I can't do a little beach riding. The lighthouse is a little bit of a distance from us, but on an EUC, man, not a problem. I've already covered a lot of distance. This is a one-way street, so. Folly Beach, South Carolina is more of a local style beach. They only have one large hotel. Everything else is private or extremely small. I'm down here with my Aunt Sally and my mom. They've come down here for a wedding. They were going to drive down by themselves, but a 70-year-old and a 80-year-old is not the way you want to go. So I drove them about 4 hours down here. Love this place. I'm going to try to get Sullivan's Island and Isle of Palms in on this trip that I'm down here. I'm down here for another day or two. Oh, look at them chairs. Oh, somebody find them a beach spot there. I know I should probably had more pads on, but I wasn't planning on going this fast. Plan on going a lot slower. I figured I'd be on the beach, but straight to the lighthouse and then down the beach. I don't really want to put my Veteran Max in the sand, but we're going to give it a try. But anyway, how about these freaking Pit Vipers, man? Check them things out. Sweet. So like I said, I met these guys in the top of Nevada, and I went to Tahoe and did a Monopalooza event with them. I'm a former uniskier, so it's kind of one of those things. I'm on a one wheel, and I was on a uniski back in the 80s, so I was like, yeah, this is me, man. This is so me. So I hooked up with him and I told him what I was doing, and he's like, yeah, I'll send you some promo and stuff like that. I'm like, yeah, sure, man. I'm really excited about that. What's up, man? And I was like, yeah, sure, I'm really interested. And they gave me a couple pair actually when I was there the last time, and this is about 4 months ago, and he's like, oh, I'll send you a care package. And sure enough, he sent me an awesome care package. So I have a pair of turquoise, these brand new red ones, and a pair of purple ones. And hopefully I can get 3 videos out of the beach this weekend while we're doing the wedding. And I'll be able to show you the glasses. They're really awesome. They're polarized. I love them, man. Anybody wants to send me anything, I'm a promo well fella. You just send them to me and I'll wear them. All right. Now I'm on the main road here. I probably have a vehicle coming up behind my back here. So I'm not going to try to go too fast. I'm going to pull off for him so I'm not being too rude. Don't mind pulling off and letting him go by. I'll jump right back on it, right behind him. It's courtesy of the road. Well, you see he's going to slow down for somebody carrying a chair, but not a unicycle. Ooh, oh, this is the washout we're going to. I think the lighthouse is the other way, the other direction. I guess I didn't do my homework. I don't know, the washout's pretty cool. Well, we got a little red, white, and blue down here. It must be a festive time of the year. Nice and packed. Welcome to Folly Beach. Please be nice, Folly Beach Police. Oh, heck yeah, look at this. All right, so this is where all the surfers go with the short boards. Let's see if I can get you up enough so you can see it. I'm gonna try to jump out over this little area and get on the sand. I think the sand will be all right. No, well, it's almost high tide. Man, I guess I didn't do any of my research today, did I? I'll tell you what. The waves were heavy and choppy today. If I had my surfboard out there, it'd be some fun stuff. It'd be some quick stuff. And January and February is usually the best time for surfing. Reason being is the waves are longer, smoother, usually not a lot of wind. But this Sherman Max sure is the thing to have. Does everything you want it to do. I'm going as fast as I want to go. I tell you what, I'm gonna have to turn around in here in a minute. Too many construction dumpsters. All right. Well, you know what? There has to be a lighthouse down here. I think it connects to Sullivan Island. I think our next stop is Sullivan's. We'll see. Yeah, I definitely don't have as much control over the top of the unicycle with the lesser pads on it. It's kind of bouncing around and wobbling a little bit with the extra pads on it. That does not happen, and that's a key thing, I think, for a unicycle. I'm running a steady 30 miles an hour. Still a beautiful area. Folly Beach. Actually, it's Folly Island. It is an island in South Carolina. Oh yeah, I think I'm right. I think we're still getting to the lighthouse here. It's coming up. I didn't realize my hat was going to be so flimsy in this wind, especially at a steady 30 miles an hour. houses off the beach. Oh, then with the camera. Yeah, here we come. We're coming to the lighthouse. There used to be a really funky little house out here. I don't see it anymore. There you go. How you doing today, sir?
Good, how you doing?
Ah, pretty good. Oh wow, this reminds me of Bald Rock without the graffiti. This is a lot of graffiti, man. Check it out. This used to be a little sandy walkway, and now they've paved it, and of course they've made a wonderful canvas. Oh, look at that spaceship. I like that spaceship. Oh, it's still going on. Wow. Before it used to be all sand. Oh, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. There we go. They got some speed bumps up here. Woo! I guess I shouldn't probably be jumping them like that. Oh, look, the lighthouse. We're here. Another jump. Woohoo! Let's see if I can make it through this sand. I've never been in sand before. Nope, ain't gonna happen. Yep, nope, never been in sand that loose before, but we're gonna go out there and get on the beach and see what we're doing. That's what I came for. That lighthouse right out there. Woo! Not real happy about putting sand through my veteran Sherman, but what's the life gonna be like on that? Who am I gonna sell it to next? Oh, I didn't tell you last time. We were at the lake on the boat. We started talking to some people, and there was a fella. They said, "Oh wow, man!" His name's Jason. He goes, "Man, I really like that. I saw it on YouTube." And my buddy that you always see in the other videos was like, "Well, he'll sell you one of them." So, with all my pedals, my Clark pad pedals, my jump pads, my Velcro, my front nose bumper, all the wraps and PEX taping, I sold it for $4,000. So I turned it over. I didn't lose a whole lot. I lost a little bit, but that's going to open me up to the EX20S. I'm trying to decide whether I want the high torque or the high speed. That's yet to be determined. Ooh, here we go. Past the washout on Folly Beach, the lighthouse. I'm gonna get a little bit of beach riding in. What's up, man?
How you doing?
I'm doing well, man. Love that hat.
Thank you. I love that. That was a smart idea bringing that.
Well, let me tell you something. 50 miles an hour. Yeah. Well, I wasn't planning on riding fast down here. We at the beach. What's your name? Cal? You don't mind being on YouTube, do you?
YouTube?
Uh-oh.
Kind of camera shot.
He's wanted. Check us out, man. Free Will EUC. Free Will. W-I-L-L.
Yeah.
EUC. You're going to be on it.
Check it out.
He's a grill master. All right, look at that. Oh, on the beach, on some packed sand. We got a man fishing here with some lines across the beach. He don't want me to run over. He got my attention. I was paying attention, so that's great. Awesome. How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. Let's check it out. All right. This is awesome. Doesn't look like there's a way through, but I'm gonna make a way through here in a second. Turn it off if I have to. Oh, wait a minute, let's see. Let me get a little video. We can go up over this stuff here. I'll put these pedals up. Here we go. We can go back down over all this stuff. There we go, man. Awesome. Just want to get a little beach ride in today. How you guys doing today? So this is South Carolina. This is in the Folly Beach. It's awesome. I love it. Look at all this open sand. Wow. What's up, fellas? What you catching today? Yes, sir. Hello, hello. So check this out. People out on the sandbars, we're running around. This is awesome. Love it. Other side of this should be Sullivan's Island. Oh, a little soft sand. So you got to stay in the sweet spot, I guess. Whoa, a little bit soft shit again. All right. So you got to stay between the white and the dark gray. That is a key thing. Look at this. And then, oh, we got a kite surfer out there, man. Check that out. Yeah. Listen to that crunch of the shells. The seals. Man, talking about gonna be an awesome, awesome YouTube video, man. Woo-hoo! Love this stuff. Came down here for a wedding, loaded everything up. I wasn't gonna pass up this opportunity to ride the beach. So we're gonna go all the way down as far as we can go and turn around. Once I turn it around though, I'm gonna cut and then I'm just gonna film the beach again. How you guys doing today? Wonderful. So much ground traveled so quickly. I love this. One day I hope to make this my full-time job. Woo-hoo! Check it out. Whoa, we got some seagulls over here. What are they doing? Oh, bye-bye, fellas. All right. Welcome to South Carolina. Coastlines are beautiful. The people are nice. Make sure I don't roll over this fella's rod. Oh, that's not his rod. I could have rolled over that. Going into part of the opening for the river sections behind Folly Island, Folly Beach. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Such a beautiful sight. I'm not gonna be able to get much farther. Looks like we're getting ready to have a little bit of a cutoff. We've gone from the ocean side to the river side. And the sand's not as packed. Has a lot more wildlife in it. More tranquil. Not as much lapping on the shores. Gotta love South Carolina. Ooh, South Carolina and some deep sand. All right. I think that's gonna be it for me. I can't go any farther. Check it out, guys. South Carolina. Welcome to South Carolina, Folly Beach area. You got to see the lighthouse. You got to see the inner creek systems, at least the mouth of them, and a little bit of the wildlife. Everybody having fun out there on their boats. Guess what? Love you. Peace out. Don't forget to check out Pit Viper sunglasses. They're awesome people. They do a great job. Really nice people. Outs.